नान्यथा प्रीतये देवे कल्पकोटिशतैरपि तस्माद्रहस्यनामानि श्रीमातुः प्रयतः पठेत् इति ते कथितं स्तोत्रं रहस्यं कुम्भसम्भवा नाविद्या वेदिने ब्रूयान्ना भक्ताय कदा न च यथैव गोप्या श्रीविद्या तथा गोप्यमिदं मुने पशुतुल्येषु न ब्रूयाज्जनेषु स्तोत्रमुत्तमम् यो ददाति विमूढात्मा श्रीविद्यारहिताय च तस्मै कुप्यन्ति योगिन्यः सोऽनर्थसु महान् स्मृतः रहस्यनाम साहस्रं तस्मात् सङ्गोपयेदिदं स्वातन्त्र्येण मया नोक्तं तवापि कलशीसुत ललिता प्रेरणेनैव मयोक्तं स्तोत्रमुत्तमम् कीर्तयत्वमिदं भक्त्या कुम्भयोने निरन्तरं येन तुष्टा महादेवी तवाभीष्टं प्रदास्यति इत्युक्त्वा श्रीहयग्रीव ध्यात्वा श्रीललिताम्बिकाम् आनन्दमग्नहृदयः सद्यः पुलकितोऽभवत्.
Thus, O pot-born one, is this secret hymn declared to you? You should not impart this to one who is not initiated into the Sri Vidya, nor to one who is not a devotee. Just as Sri Vidya is to be kept secret, so also, O Muni, this sahasranaman should be kept concealed from the eyes of the uninitiated. This holy hymn ought not to be promulgated among those whose nature resembles that of beasts. If a person so loses his wits as to impart this to one who is not initiated into Sri Vidya, the yoginis curse him, and it is a source of great loss to him. Therefore, should this sahasranamam be kept concealed, even to thee, O pot-born one? I did not declare it of my own accord, O pot-born one. Kalishi Suta, Kalashi, Devi, and Suta, son. By the strength of devotion, Agastya has come to that stage when the devotee is called the son of Devi, a special privilege of devotees to Devi alone. Yadava says, Kala means parrot in neutrality, declared in masculinity, and charming sound, nada. She to recline, that is Devi, is called Kalashi, as she is to be realized in the charming sound. Rabhasa says, Kalasha means the best of things, the head and the pot. As she is the head or the best of all, she is called Kalashi. It is by the command of Lalitha that this holy hymn is declared to thee. Therefore, O pot-born one, do thou chant this always with devotion. Chant this always. You are not only in the first stage of a devotee, but are fully initiated. Purna Abhisheka, 40th, the last verse. Thus, the collection of the 40 verses was composed by learned Nrisimha Yajwan, indicating the tradition of the great ones to please the devotees of Shiva. Shivam, thus pleased, the great Devi will grant thee all desired objects. Suta said, 86 and a half. Having thus instructed Agastya, Hayagriva meditated on Mother Lalitha and got himself merged into the bliss when his hair stood on the end. Thus ends the third Phala chapter in the Uttara Kanda of the Brahmananda Purana in the form of a dialogue between Hayagriva and Agastya. Here ends the 12th Kala called Kshama with the Phala chapter in the Saubhagya Bhaskara composed by Bhaskara Raya. Born in Vishwamitra Gotra, there lived in Kashi a person named Gambhira, the best of all learnt men, who was devoted to the worship of Shiva and who performed Somayaga, sacrifice, by his son on Monday, the 9th Navami, day Tithi, in the Shukla Paksha, bright half of the lunar month of Ashvija, with sacred season, autumn of the year, Kala Yukti, corresponding to 1785 of the Samvatsara year. This commentary on Lalita Sahasranaman was written. Though this commentary is written with the help of the knowledge gained from Shruti, Smriti, rules of logic, Nyaya, Puranas, Sutra, Koshas, lexicons, Agamas, and the hereditary teachings of gurus. Yet, it is hoped that wiser men than I, who have compassion for me, sympathize with my undertaking, will correct this wherever necessary. There may be several deflects in this commentary due to my imperfect knowledge, or errors may have crept into it owing to my carelessness, or because the text is too difficult to be understood thoroughly, and I therefore crave the indulgence of the great and compassionate souls to remedy them all. O Mother, this bhasya which supports to explain the meaning of thy names and to write which though has instrumental is dedicated to thy feet. I trust it will therefore be acceptable and pleasing to thee. Let him who does not study this or nor read, nor at least possess a copy, indeed, O Lalitha, not have faith in thee. Victory to be to my gurus, whose one single name enabled to cross the ocean of the sahasranama, just as a drop of water from their holy feet enabled me to cross the ocean of samsara.